couple of these 1970s era Sears garage door openers, and they work great. But the problem is, one of the remotes quit working on me a while back, and I've looked high and low, and I just cannot find a replacement remote that'll work with it. These openers are just so old, the remotes that are on the market today just won't work with it. However, I have come up with a great solution that works great. Let me tell you about it. I did some checking on eBay and Amazon, and what I found was this solid remote secure wireless RF remote control relay switch. Now basically all that long title is saying is that this is a relay that's controlled with a remote, and it works just like the remote that's already on your garage door opener. You just push the button and the door opens. Push the button again and the door closes. This relay is easy to set up, easy to connect, and very easy to use. Works great. I've been using mine for about a year now. I'm going to show you how this thing connects up. And the best thing about it is, you can have it for as little as 20 bucks. This solid remote kit comes with instructions telling how to hook everything up, and also how to program the remote. Basically, they're just a little red dip switch inside that you set according to the instructions, and then a couple of buttons you push to get the remote working, and it takes like 10 seconds and you're done. This kit didn't come with an AC adapter, and that's really no big deal because you've probably got an AC adapter laying around your house that's not being used that'll work just fine. As long as it supplies 12 volts to 24 volts DC, you're good to go. Just cut the plug end off, take those wires, strip them, and screw them onto the terminals on the solid remote box, and you're ready to go. Now that wire hanging out on the right, sort of at a right angle and another right angle loop on the end, you won't have to fool with that. That's the antenna. Just leave it alone and you'll be good to go. And over on the left you'll see a wire that has a red and a yellow wire coming out of it. That's basically just a piece of old telephone wire that I had laying around. That's what I used to connect it to my connect the solid remote to my garage door opener. Just connect those two wires to the same two wires that your existing garage door button is connected to, and it'll work. After I got all the wires mounted to the solid remote relay switch, all I did was mount it to the ceiling in my garage and connect the wires. The wire going backwards is the one going to the AC adapter. The other wire just goes over to the garage door opener. And the two wires on the left, the yellow and the red on the left, are the ones that are connected to the opener. And that's connected to the same place that the switch on the wall is connected to that you push to open the door. Works great. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to hook this thing up. The best thing about this solution is it works with any garage door opener that works with a wall-mounted switch. If you can push a switch on the wall and open your garage door opener, this is one easy way, a cheap way to add an RF remote to it, even regardless of how old it is. Like I said before, you can get this little gem on Amazon for around 20 bucks. If you'd like to pick one up, no problem. I'll put a link down in the description.